20 small changes that will improve your life. Physical health. 1. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This can include walking, running, cycling, or any physical activity you enjoy. 2. Healthy eating. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar. 3. Adequate sleep. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep routine and create a restful environment. 4. Mental well-being. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness or meditation daily to reduce stress and increase your awareness and focus. 5. Continuous learning. Engage in lifelong learning by reading, taking courses, or learning new skills. This keeps the mind sharp and can provide personal and professional growth. 6. Social connections. Strengthen relationships. Invest time in building and maintaining meaningful relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. Show appreciation, communicate openly, and spend quality time together. 7. Community involvement. Get involved in your community through volunteering or participating in local events. This can give you a sense of purpose and belonging. 8. Personal development. Set goals. Define clear, achievable goals for yourself in different areas of life, such as career, health, and personal growth. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. 9. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on and write down things you are grateful for. This practice can improve your overall happiness and perspective on life. 10. Financial health. Financial management. Create a budget, track your spending, and save for the future. Consider investing in financial education to better manage your money and achieve financial security. 11. Financial management. Create a budget, track spending, and save for the future. Assess your current financial situation income. List all sources of income, including salary, freelance work, investments, and any other sources. Expenses. Track your spending for a month to understand where your money is going. Categorize expenses into fixed, rent, utilities, and variable, entertainment, dining out. 12. Set financial goals, short-term goals. These could include saving for a vacation, paying off a credit card, or building an emergency fund. Long-term goals. Think about retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. 13. Create a budget. Prioritize needs over wants. Ensure essential expenses, housing, food, transportation are covered first. Allocate funds. Distribute your income towards your expenses, savings, and debt repayment. Consider the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Use budgeting tools. Utilize apps or spreadsheets to track and adjust your budget regularly. 14. Track your spending. Record daily expenses. Keep a daily log of your expenses, either manually or through an app. Review monthly. At the end of each month, review your spending to identify patterns and areas where you can cut back. 15. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Cut subscriptions. Cancel any subscriptions or memberships you don't use. Eat out less. Prepare meals at home instead of dining out. Shop smart. Look for discounts, buy in bulk, and avoid impulse purchases. 16. Build an emergency fund. Start small. Aim to save at least $1,000 initially. Gradual increase. Work towards saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to build your fund consistently. 17. Manage debt. Wisely pay more than the minimum. Paying only the minimum keeps you in debt longer and costs more in interest. Debt snowball or avalanche. Choose a debt repayment strategy. Pay off the smallest debts first, snowball, or the highest interest debts first, avalanche. 18. Save and invest for the future retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matches if available. investment accounts, consider opening a brokerage account to invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. 19. Increase your income. Side gigs. Explore side jobs or freelance opportunities. Skill development. Invest in education or training to advance your career and potentially increase your salary. Passive income. Look into passive income streams such as rental properties, dividends, or online businesses. 20. Review and adjust. Regularly monthly check-ins. Review your budget and financial goals each month to make adjustments as needed. Annual reviews. Conduct a comprehensive review of your financial situation annually, including income, expenses, debts, and investments. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and build a secure financial future. Incorporating these ideas into your daily routine can help create a more balanced, fulfilling, and enjoyable life.